my friend. I had a new friend today. How is it called? Its name is what is it? Sabby. Its name is Sabby. I will show you my friend. Okay. Who is this? I've never seen him before. This one is the baby bear. Oh, hi, baby bear. Hi. I love you, baby bear. You're so cute. You too. You just didn't tell me. I can be your little friend, right? Yeah, you can. And who are you? Can we shake hands or hug? Hug. Okay. I was just laughing because I was thinking of something funny. It was like a name called oh, that was, yeah. Here's the chair. Okay. And can we all play together? Can we all play together? Okay. I just laughing so hard because I was thinking of that name. It's too funny. Can we play together on the playground? Yeah. Okay. Oh, hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi. Do you want to join us? Come on, watch our show. We are going to do something really special. We're going to laugh in it because we love thinking of something funny. And this one here is Emma. And it's the one who's doing these ones. And here is Sarah. Hello. Now let's start our show, friends. Come on. So what do you want to do? We can swim, right? Yeah, let's go to the water. Yay! Swimming in the pool, pool, pool. Swimming in the pool. Yay! 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 I hated myself a little bit. Now what shall we do? Sweet presents. Have Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you for that lovely present. I'm so happy. That's why I get my ears up when I'm happy. Oh, I love you, Bunny. You're so cute. I love you too. You're always cute. And I love you most of all, Teddy Bear. Now you show us too. Now you show the pictures of us. So, well guys, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe.